I'll now show you how to use asset telemetry and data graphing in Propitect. Telemetry provides powerful insights into your connected assets. By default, MATelec devices display internal temperature data. You can select a time period for data display using the top left period selector. The Telemetry tab supports up to 3 graphs. Click on the cog icon to configure the available datasets. Here you can assign a label, a unit, and a number of decimal places. Choose whether the data appears in reports or CSV exports. Select which graph the data is displayed on. Enable the counter function to aggregate values over time. For example, the total flow from a pulse rate, and even pick graph colors for easy visual reference. Below the graphs, toggles allow you to select display variables and show the latest values. The slide bar helps you to zoom in on specific sections of the data for detailed insights. Next to the settings cog is the report icon. This generates a PDF report for the selected time period for monitoring and record keeping. And next to this, the CSV export, which allows you to download the raw data for external analysis. A live data mode is also available for commissioning and high demand periods, allowing the Telemetry tab to refresh at the fastest rate possible, although this is restricted to certain users.